So here we have the Samsung J2 Pro, which is of the older version, 2016. I bought it for 8,000. It is a very nice phone, but it has 2 GB RAM. It has 2 GB RAM, 16 GB memory, 8 megapixel back camera and 5 megapixel front camera, 1.5 GHz quad-core processor, and 4G Vivo Lite is available in this phone. So now we will do the unboxing of this phone. I actually already unboxed this phone, but then just to show you guys. So now we will be powering on this phone. Samsung J2 Pro powered by Android. It takes a lot of time to power on. It has been powered on. As you can see, the wallpaper is very simple. I've already started using this. So let's see the battery information. Okay, I guess its battery is 2000 mAh. It is around 2000 mAh. And just a second. It is Android 6.0.1, which is Marshmallow. The base version is Kernel version, and security patch level is 1st January 2018, as I got it updated recently. So let's see the Android version. See, it's 6.0.1 Marshmallow. It was, I guess, 6.0, but it got updated to 6.0.1. Security patch level I showed you, it's 1st January. And yes, the Samsung J2 Pro. It has Smart Glow feature, so whenever you get a notification, it glows. You can set the color. That's very nice design from the back. Like, I really like this texture. It's very cool. Now let's see what are the accessories with it. These are the earphones. Okay, let's keep them aside. A USB. It's a micro USB cable. Samsung hasn't got Type C yet, and this is a charger, as you can see. I got a case with it, Spigen. It's a very simple and nice case. as you can see, they have not provided any screen guard or any tempered glass. And too, the phone is nice, but the only thing, if you like playing games, this game is not at all good for you. The cover fits very nice. Now let's check the camera quality. As you can see, I'm gonna take a picture of this. So just a second. So as you can see here is a brightness column. I guess it adjusts the brightness of the photo, and here we go. The camera is 8 megapixel. The photo has bit moved by me, but then too, the clarity is not that good. So I have clicked the picture. Okay, the camera clarity is not that good, but it's okay. Like, if you see the picture like this, it looks good. So now let's check the front camera. Okay, so this phone has got a front flash. The front camera clarity is well nice. You can click great selfies with it. Now that I will show you once again the flash. See, the front flash is like this. The whole screen gets white, and I don't think the front flash would work that much. So here our J2 Pro unboxing and using is over. Thank you. We end this video over here. Please subscribe, like, share, and if you are already subscribed, press the bell icon, and please comment below.